Beginning to make money online can be the most frustrating thing to do ever. Most of the time, you're not even sure of what you're doing. You've been trying different ways to earn that cash, but it doesn't seem to be getting you anywhere at all. You've spent so much time looking for the perfect way to make earning money online work. But you still haven't even earned a dime from the last time you spent a whole day on that website that should have made you dollars in an hour. We understand where your disappointment is coming from. But don't worry, we got you. In this video, we will be showing you an easy and effective way to earn money online. And no, it won't require any experience. Just keep watching because we will be teaching you a method to earn $200 to $500 without having to do so much work. Welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to earn money online in the most convenient way possible. This is Money Empire. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most hassle-free way possible, so make sure you stay tuned. To finally get into the video, we introduce to you the first website that will be helping us today. GoTranscript.com. We know what you're thinking. Are we going to transcribe audio? Absolutely not. As easy as it may seem, transcribing is actually a difficult job that requires sharp skills to earn a lot of cash. And we definitely don't want that here, so don't fret. Upon getting to the website, you might wonder what the prices displayed are about. You may mistake these as the money you'll receive from the website, but they are actually not. These are the prices that the client will be paying upon using your services. If you want to get started, you can scroll down to the bottom of the website and click on Join as a Transcriber. You will be taken to another page, and if you scroll further, you will be able to see how much they pay transcribers. If we take on this job, for example, we would be earning $0.60 per minute. In an hour, which is equated to 60 minutes, that would be $36. If we continue doing this for 12 hours, we will end up with over $400 in total. The best thing about this is, even though this may be a transcribing website, we have a trick up our sleeve that would not need any skills at all. Not having any experience before taking on this job can be nerve-wracking. So we totally understand if you're looking for a way where you won't have to do anything, and we definitely have it here with us. In order to get started, click on the Apply Now button. A drop-down will be offered and you can choose the language to use. After that, you will be redirected to another page that has big letters displayed saying Create an Account. You can put in your active email account and desired password. Once that's done, you can click on the Sign Up button, and if this process is too much of a hassle for you, you can choose to log in using your Google account or log in using your Facebook account. As soon as that is out of the way, we're going to expand our ways of earning money. The more websites you use, the more money you will be earning using this trick. So let's put a pin on GoTranscript.com, and we will be introducing the second website where we will be making an account, Scribie.com, which is similar to GoTranscript.com. Again, You don't have to worry about learning to transcribe because we won't be doing that here. Signing up to a similar website will diversify your income. As you're waiting to receive your income from just one website, you will be able to multiply that using another website. Now, once you're in Scribie.com, you will be greeted with a lot of information about this website. Do take note that this is not the correct website you will be joining as a transcriber, so don't make the mistake of agreeing to anything, as you may purchase a service by mistake. You can read around the site to get a better understanding, and in order to sign up, you are going to have to scroll down until you find the Join as a Transcriber section. You can click on Get Started and you will be redirected to another web page so you can begin the process of signing up. Once you click on Get Started, you will need to provide the information that they ask for you to complete the process. Once you got that all set up, you can now proceed to the next step. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated because we want to know how to help you better in the future. And now, going back. To finally teach you the tricks to make all of this easier and basically just to make your passive income, the software that will be helping you in the process is the NCH software. This is free for every computer out there. What this does is it transcribes your audio for you so you won't have to do the work. In no time, you will be able to finish hours long of audio without even having to listen to any of them. You can upload these transcriptions to Scribie and GoTranscripts and watch your earnings grow in an instant. But that's not all there is. Let's go back to GoTranscript.com and scroll to the bottom of the interface so you will be able to see Affiliate under for transcriptionists. Some of you may already know what affiliate is. For those who don't, you will get an affiliate code that you can share with people to use as their referral code, and you will be earning money for every successful use of that code. We know that it would be so hard to look for people who would be interested in using it. But don't worry about that. Just make sure you sign up as an affiliate in GoTranscript and Scribie to maximize your earnings. If you can't find the affiliate button on Scribie, you can go ahead and search it on Google and it should be the first thing to pop up. You can read around on both websites so you can further get a grasp on how each of their affiliate programs work. Once that's out of the way, you can go ahead and visit transcriptionessentials.com. This website is a community for transcribers where everyone in here is interested in this field, and we will be sharing our affiliate link here. Since your post will suit the interest of members, you will be able to gather people who are interested to use your code. In no time, you will be able to gather a good amount of affiliates and you will be earning more and more. This can be done definitely without a sweat. And there you have it. That is it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip for everyone out there looking for convenient and hassle-free ways to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you will be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we help you earn money in the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so that you can stay tuned on our next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you. See you in the next one!